Hello students, in previous lecture we learned the definition of set. Now here we will continue with representation of a set. So there are two methods of representing a set. First is roster method, or it is also called as tabular method, or it is also called as list method. And the second method is set builder method, or it is also called as rule method. Now first we will learn roster method. Now for example, state the sets using roster method. So first question is given, B is the set of all days in a week. So we have to write the answer for this in list method, that is in roster method. So answer will be B is equal to, in curly bracket we will write all days of a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So this will be the answer. So the given set B we have state in the form of roster method. Now second example, C is the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Now I hope everyone know the vowels of English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. So we will write answer set C is equal to, in curly bracket, A, E, I, O, U, and this is nothing but the representation of the given set in roster method. Third example, D is the set of letters of the word beautiful. So now here we will write set D, and in curly brackets we will write the letters of the given word. Now suppose the given word is in capital letter, then while writing the letters we will write the capital letters, and if the given word is in small letter, then while writing the letters we will write the small letters, and if the repetition of the letters is present, then we will write that specific letter only once. Now here B, E, A, U, T, I, F, L. Now U is repeated, but we will write that U only once, and this is nothing but the representation of the given set in roster method. Next example, M is the set of first 5 odd natural numbers. Now we know the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. From that we want only odd natural numbers, that means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. But here the condition is given that the first 5 odd natural numbers. Therefore M will be the set containing only first 5 odd natural numbers. So in curly bracket the elements will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's it. Now next example, T is the set of natural numbers less than 12. Now here while writing the set in roster method, no condition is given whether the natural numbers are even or odd. That means we will consider all the natural numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But the condition is we want the numbers less than 12. So T will be the set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now here we will not consider the number 12 because we want the numbers less than 12. So these all are the examples of roster method. Now we will learn the second method of representing a set, and that method is set builder method. In the set builder method, we describe the elements of the set by specifying the property which determines the elements of the set uniquely. Now, here suppose example, state the sets using set builder method. Now first, set A is given, and in that set we have given three letters E, T, A. That means this is given in roster method, listing method, tabular method, and we want the answer in set builder method. Now see, while writing the answer, we are going to write in specific property. So here the way to write the answer in set builder method as A is equal to, see how to read this, set of all x such that x is letter of the word. We will try to write the word by using this letter. So here either we can write T, T-E-A, or we can write it, or we can write it, any word we can write, because in all these three words same letters we use. Once again I am repeating how to read this. Set A is equal to set of all x such that x is letter of the word T, T-E-A. Now for example second, B is equal to Jan, Feb, that means January, February, March, April, May, and so on up to December. Now everyone know that these are nothing but the months of a year. But since while writing set builder method, we write the set uniquely, that means we write the set for only one x. Therefore here the answer will be B is equal to set of all x such that x is month of a year. We will write here is because we are writing for only one element, even though all months of a year are given. So B is equal to set of all x such that x is month of a year. Now here suppose we consider y is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Now if you observe all this, then these all are nothing but the squares of the natural number. So while writing the answer, that means in set builder method, y is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to natural number and x is a square. Now here we will not mention up to which number because here and so on is given. That means we will not write the condition that from which number we are going to take the squares of the given natural number. Now one more example, z is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now here these are the natural numbers and we know that the starting number is 2 and the last number of the given set is 12. So while writing set builder method, we will write z is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to natural number, but since here and so on is not given, we will write the condition that set of all x, x belongs to natural number, x lies between 2 and 12 where 2 and 12 both are included. Since here we are writing this less than or equal to sign, here also less than or equal to sign, that means This equal indicates that 2 is included as well as 12 is also included. Now here the question is this and this is the answer. The question is k is equal to only one element is given, that is 0, and we want to write this in set builder method. Now here we can write the answer in two ways. We know that 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. So we can write the answer as k is equal to set of all x such that x is neither positive nor negative integer. Or there is one more method to write the answer. K is equal to set of all x such that x does not belongs to natural number but x belongs to whole numbers. Because we already learned the basic of number system. In that we learn that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, whereas the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That means it is very clear that 0 is present in the set of whole number but not present in the set of natural number, and that's why our answer is k is the set of all x such that x does not belongs to natural number but x belongs to whole numbers. So here we have finished with the two types of representation of sets, that is, one is roster method, which is also called as tabular method or list method, and the second is set builder method. Thank you, students.